Hi everyone, I'm Yein from Craftiviti. We have a new product in the store and I'm really excited about it because this is one of the products that a lot of beauty formulas or formulations need. It is natural raw honey. We have it from the Longan Honey, so it comes from a Longan orchard and it's from Malaysia. It's a local natural honey. Let me read the label for you. Organic honey. This is an organic Longan honey according to the farm. Has powerful antibacterial, antimicrobial properties and is high in antioxidants too, which helps to combat aging and dull skin and sagginess and all that it's supposed to, because honey is a very natural, very powerful ingredient. This is a great raw ingredient for soaps, for adding to scrub, for adding to any of your formulation like facial masks. And it is 100% pure honey harvested from bees within a Longan orchard and does not contain any added sugars and chemicals, unbleached and unadulterated. To use honey, you've got many ways to use honey. You can actually incorporate it into a soap bar like this, melt and pour. In 1 kg, you can add in maybe about 1 tablespoon of honey, plus minus. You don't want to add too much. If not, the soap will be very soft. So you can add this into your melt and pour soap or into your cold processed soap, and it creates a really luxurious feel to your soap. It increases the value of your soap. It is also great for skin. Honey is known to be a natural humectant. Humectant is one of the things that help to protect your skin and moisturize your skin. It helps to draw, if you've seen my glycerin video, it helps to draw moisture from the air. It helps to lock it onto your skin and keeps your skin moist. Now, if you don't want to incorporate honey into a melt and pour, there is always melt and pour that has already got honey formulated into it. We have it here. I'm going to show it to you. This is the Stephenson melt and pour honey base. If you can see here, it says honey here. It already has the honey properties inside the soap so that you don't need to add raw honey to it. If you want to add extra honey, of course you can. Melt and pour is so forgiving. You've got so many different recipes you can play with. Honey is also great to make scrubs out of. You mix honey with a little bit of coconut oil and maybe you can add in a beautiful pink Himalayan salt scrub or organic raw sugar. So you can mix all this in and it creates a very nice exfoliating feel to your skin. It helps to peel dead skin cells. And if you have a bathtub at home or you like to soak your feet, add honey to it, add a little bit of baking soda, and it really is a natural cleansing and detoxing. So honey you can get anywhere in the market, but make sure you know your supply. Make sure that it's not adulterated. A lot of honey in the market, especially the really cheap ones, they have already added in additional sugars to the honey. So know your source, know where you get your honey from, make sure that it's pure, and it will work great wonders on your skin. Thank you so much for listening and happy crafting!